Hello friends, today I've got an exciting product for you to understand how exactly it works, and I'm going to first unbox and introduce you to one of the most finest depth cameras available in the market, Intel Realsense camera. It's packed so nicely, small, elegant, and it's a very nice camera which is numbered as Intel Depth Camera D415. It is also called the Realsense camera. I'm going to open it right now, and this is a fantastic camera. I have just tested it. I'm going to show you how exactly it works also. So you can see that this is a very simple lightweight camera available for all computer vision, augmented reality and virtual reality related experiments and application development. So you can see that this is what we have here. I'll explain you one by one, and the package is very neat and nice. I have got a USB cable. This is for a power connection, and I have got a tripod. It is all so professional that anybody can easily use it, and they have given a clear manual, and the complete installation details are available here in realsense.intel.com/develop/d400/get started. There are few other models available, but what I have in hand is a D415 is the model that I have in hand, and this is in the D400 series. Now, what is this all about? This is a depth camera which will help us in getting deeper as well as better details. And to make it much more precise, what this can offer you is, this is an Intel Realsense Vision Processor D4 supported one. The resolution of 1280x720 active stereo depth resolution is supported. 1920x180 1080 RGB resolution is supported. Depth diagonal field view of over 70 degree. This is absolutely fantastic. And dual rolling shutter sensors is supported with 90 frames per second. This is the best as far as I have used, and dual rolling shutter feature will be seen when you go through an experiment or the exercise that I'm going to show you little later in my next demo video. And most importantly, we have got a free SDK available, an open source SDK available for installing and setting it up. This particular camera can be used alongside the Windows operating system or Linux or Mac. The support for everything is available over here, and this is how I need to mount it in the tripod, and it takes few seconds for you to really set this up, and this is really fantastic. And this is how it looks like when you mount it. And most important point, this is a USB-C cable. So one end of it will go to the laptop, and another end of it will be connected to the Realsense camera, and I have an opening here for it. I need to just open it up. You can see that here I can open it up right now. First few times it is a bit difficult to open it up because it is very tight, but when you are used to it, maybe few times later, it really is very comfortable. I'll show you that right now. You could see the slot here right now. I have opened it. It takes few seconds for you to identify and understand how exactly to open it the first time, but next time it is really easy. That's it. And you can connect your USB cable here, and the other end of the cable should go to the laptop. This is a USB-C type of cable that you are going to use. And I'm going to show you an exercise in my next video shortly, where you will understand how exactly or what exactly this Realsense can offer you. Until then, stay tuned, and thank you very much for following my content and channel. I hope you like this new information, and this is how it looks like. This is really stunning. Thank you, folks.